Hi folks, welcome back to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar, and I am sitting in a 2003 Bentley Arnage which has full wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. How about that? So we've managed to get it working through the factory screen. These cars don't have an auxiliary input, which you normally need to link up a aftermarket CarPlay system, but what we've managed to do is break into the bus cable of the CD changer and grab a really good quality audio input there. So the sound quality of the Apple CarPlay is actually spot on, as you can imagine, or as you can hear. You've got this rather nifty little controller that sits in the armrest, and that's used to control the Apple CarPlay. So I can move through the icons. I can press and hold for Siri activation. I can go backwards and forwards through the tracks. The volume control works from the factory volume control here, and we've got a little rocker switch in here that enables us to reinstate the CD changer. So if you want to use the CD changer, which is buried under the armrest, you can, but you press a little button, switches the audio over to the Apple CarPlay, which in all honesty is where you're going to spend most of your life once you've had this conversion done. This just covers up, so you can cover the armrest up. You don't have to see it there. If you pull it open, the little controller's in a perfect position, so it's very comfortable to sit in the car in the driver's position and be able to work the controller. In fact, just like I drive in a BMW or something like that, to be more up to date. So there you go, a great conversion. We're really pleased with this. Again, this is one we've been wanting to get our hands on for some time, just finding a customer brave enough to let us play around with it. This gent did, and he's got a great solution. I look forward to doing lots more of them. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like. It'd be really great if you could subscribe to our channel. We produce lots of interesting stuff just like this. Thanks very much for watching.